I visited a pet shop and found these canaries. Canaries are small songbirds of the finch family, originating from the Canary Islands. That's why its name is derived from the island. Few of the types of canaries are green canary, luster canary, yellow canary, red factor canary, and domestic canary, and there are lots of other types or breed. These canaries are all males. They are the ones that sing the most, starting singing at around 4 to 6 weeks of age. Females sing too, but nowhere near as often as the males do. And we bought this one. His cluster canary. His name is Harry. This is how he looks like when he's asleep or when he feels cold. Canaries are usually timid, and it will take a lot of patience on the owner's part to get it trained. But they are social birds with a proven track record of having a soothing personality in captivity. They are shy and do not like being handled too much. In the wild, canaries feed on seeds of figs, grasses, weed, as well as small insects. In captivity, you can give it a good quality seed mix every day. You may also choose pellets, but they are not particularly liked by canaries. Fruits and leafy vegetables can also be offered daily. Oranges, canned corn, green peppers, cooked broccoli, peaches, pears, cucumbers, strawberries are all healthy and safe choices. Do not give your canary an avocado because that is highly toxic. It can kill your bird. Actually, I had a mistake. I gave him an avocado, but luckily he's still alive. I don't think he's eaten something. Otherwise, he's gone by now. Thank you guys, and hope you learned something about canary. Bye!